Welcome. If you want to manage notification settings in your ASUS ZenPad 10, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the notifications right here, and here we have to scroll down and tap on the app notifications. So if you get a lot of notifications, for example from this application, you have to enter for it, and here you can permanently block the notifications. So just tap on the switcher, and right now you will be free for any notifications. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.